CASSIAFAEHAYDEN. Welcome to my channel. I I'm trying to be in the mindset to, do my fidget video properly for you guys. But anyway, I got some fidgets in the mail today. I have a shit ton more coming. Don't get used to this, you guys, because I will not be buying $500 worth of fidget toys every month because I'm incredibly low income, and the only reason I was able to afford it this month is because I got a huge tax credit check. Sorry, my cat just knocked something over. Well, one of my cats. So, I got this huge $500 tax credit check, and when I meant to save a lot of it. I meant to save a bunch of it and just have a little bit there in case I need something. But when I'm depressed and I have money, stop it, Sage. Jeez, sorry. She's really, really intent on knocking over the little planter that I use as a cup holder. But anyway, so, when I'm depressed, I tend to shop. And usually I leave it to just window shopping, but when there's money in my account, it doesn't end up being window shopping. So, I spent, a shit ton of that money on stuff for my scooter, and I will, post a lot of the stuff that I bought in a video for you guys for my scooter as like a wish haul. But anyway, this is like part of a Wish fidget haul. I mean, I didn't just buy fidgets from Wish. I mean, from a Walmart fidget haul. I didn't just buy fidgets from Walmart. I bought all kinds of other stuff too that I needed, and I bought them from a lot of places. I bought from Fidget Toys Plus. Sorry, a bug just went down my throat. So I bought from Fidget Toys Plus, I bought from Walmart, I bought from Amazon. I bought some things from Barnes & Noble that obviously weren't fidgets, but one of the things was because I've been eyeing it for about 3-4 years now since it came out, and I've been wanting it really bad. And now that I had that money, I was like, I'm buying that. When's the next time I'm going to be able to afford it? So, there's that. And then my mom sent me a $20 Barnes & Noble gift card because she knows giving me a book gift card is probably one of the best gifts to give me, because I am obsessed with books and bookmarks and anything to do with books and cats, and obviously fidgets also, and fairies and dragons and unicorns. But anyway, so I got that stuff too. I bought a lot of stuff. So anyway, back to my my Walmart fidget haul. So they these specific fidgets, you want to buy in bulk, like way more than it says that you need, because usually, and if you've seen Nerdy Crafter, you probably know, because you've probably seen that video. But anyway, you want to buy more than it says that there are options to get, because they're not like, you get all of them at once, or like you get to pick and choose. They come in a blind bag, so you don't know what you're gonna get. You could end up with doubles. You could end up not getting all of the ones that you wanted, or all of the ones that are labeled. And I was going to buy 9 of them. Like, 8 is how many they have in options for, but I figured one extra, in case I got a shit ton of doubles, there's that one that I could possibly, end up maybe getting something different. But they ran out of stock, and I had to settle for only 6 of them. But thankfully, I was really lucky. So, now I won't unpackage on video because, one, it takes me forever and I don't know how to edit that out. Like, I'm like technology retarded. So there's that. And then there's also the fact that I'm clumsy as hell, and honestly, I don't have the patience to wait until I'm trying to do the video for you guys to unpackage everything. And I also feel like if it's already unpackaged, it's a lot easier to show you guys than having to sit there and fight with it. So anyway, I unpackaged my 6 FX sensory FX fidget sticks, which actually what they are is they look like pens. They're not pens. They just look like them. Because, see that tip? It's not a real tip. It doesn't write, and it isn't a stylus. But it's worth it because they look like pens. So people can assume that it's a pen, and they'll just, like, not really think that it's a fidget, And, when you're out and about, or if you're in the office, or if you're at school, or if you're at a restaurant or a library trying to write, like I have been the last month or so, you want to have your fidget toys be kind of office-esque and discreet. So, I'm sorry, I'm making a lot of noise with, shuffling them through my fingers. But anyway, thankfully I got really lucky, and I only got 2 doubles. I mean, 1 double. You know what I mean. So this is the 1 double that I got. And this is the Rip It. And all of these have like little clickies like a regular pen. And you can do that with it like a normal pen. And it doesn't break off because you know what? It's made to do this with. Isn't that cool? So all of them do that, and it feels great. And then there's this fidget for this one, where you just pull it out, and it kind of feels a little bit like those suction cup things that you put on the table and then you rip them off. That's what this feels like, and it is awesome. So if you manage to end up being lucky enough to get one of these Rip It ones from the Sensory FX fidget sticks, don't put in pen, put fidget sticks. Because that's what they're labeling them as, because it's not really a pen. It just looks like one. So, anyway, if you're lucky enough to get one of these, you're going to love it. So, but yeah, buy them in bulk. And then I didn't get any other doubles. And what I'm going to do with all my doubles when I get doubles of fidget toys is they are going to become Christmas gifts and birthday gifts and whatnot for my daughter Avea, who I'm fairly certain has ADHD, but, whether she does or not, who cares? Fidgets are fun. But anyway, she's cute and very, very pretty and has a lot of nerdy interests like me. But not like me. But like me. But not like me because she's her. She doesn't like it when I say she's like me. It bothers her. And I'm like, no, that's not what I meant, though. You're you. I know you're you. I don't want you to be anything but you, but I like those things, too. But anyway, so, another one I got, this is actually the first one that I opened, was, and I can't remember what it's called. Let me see. The slide. Okay? So it has the clicky and the clip thing, and then it slides. Oh, I love the sound of it, and it feels good too because it kind of has like a textured resistance, so it bumps when you move it, and it feels really good, and I love the sound. The sound kind of reminds me of pop tubes, which, where'd you go? Oh. Anyway, I'll get to that. So I think it's a good thing that Avea doesn't watch my videos because she would get a lot of gift spoilers. But anyway, then there's this one, which is like a wacky track. And I think I'm going to have to work with it a lot because it seems a little stiff. But I think once I work with it a little bit, it'll eventually loosen up enough for me to, like, play with it easier. So there's the clicky and the flick. And the wacky track one is called Bend. Well, that's kind of a little bit on the nose. So it works just like a wacky track. It's a little bit thicker, but it works just like a wacky track. I don't have one. I want one. But now I have one. I have a wacky track now. It's a wacky track pen. I love it. I love all of these, honestly. All the ones I got, I love them. Okay. And then I'll do that one last because I was hinting at it, so I'm going to do that one last. And then you have the swivel, which, like, just kind of, it swivels. You just turn it, which is really kind of cool. And it makes that awesome clicking sound. And then put them back into place for a minute here. Go straight. My OCD is not liking me. Okay. And then there's the clicky and the flick. And I love how it's like Halloween colors. Because if you've been on here long, then you know that my favorite color is purple. One of my second favorite colors, because they're kind of like even with each other, blue and green. One of my second favorite colors. So you can't go wrong with blue and green and purple. I like pink also. And teal is like a mix of them. I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, and then they're so pretty, and they're so entertaining. And then, last but not least, there's this one. Let's do the clicky. And the clip doesn't work as well because this one's just too bendy. But this one is called Extend, which makes sense since that's what poppet tubes do. They extend and they wiggle back together and they make fun noises when they do. And then you can move them like that to make a little bit of noise or a little bit of a bend so it's easier to put back together. Do it a little bit. Apparently, when you swing normal pop tubes in the air, it like makes like a howling noise, and I tried it, and it does, and I like it. I'm new to fidgets, by the way. I am new to fidgets. So, the only reason why I'm doing so well with all these fidgets is because I've been watching Nerdy Crafter and Mrs. Bench. So, yeah. Hi guys, I love you guys. I is a fan. Okay, so, and then, so those were 5 of the 6 that, 5 of the 8 that you can get. And, the ones that we didn't get were this one, which you can't really see it very well, but it's like a glitter wand. I think it's like got liquid in it, like a glitter bottle, those homemade glitter bottles. I used to have one. I don't know what happened to it. Oh. And then there's this one, which says rotate. So I think you're just supposed to turn the things on it, and it looks like they're textured, different textures. So you can't see it very well, but and then, but definitely check out Nerdy Crafter's video, because she actually got a lot of them, and I think that's one of the ones that she got. And it was a very entertaining video. She's great. I really love her. She's so funny and sweet and entertaining. But anyway, then there's this one that we didn't get, which is just like a row of little yellow switches. And if you have a fidget cube, then you already know the switches. You know, the click, 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 click switches. Yeah. Anyway, moving on. This isn't going to be a super long video today, because right now all I have to show are the fidgets that I got today. The fidgets that I already had for the last couple of years. Well, no, the last year, and that I got last month. I've been trying to show you fidgets slowly, so that I could work up to a big video reveal of all of them. So I've been trying to do like little shorts of fidget videos for you guys. So you guys have like little teasers, and then when I'm done with all the shorts, just kind of like do a big in bulk fidget video, or multiples, because there's a lot. I might have to do more than one. So, yeah. But anyway, there's those fidget sticks, and these are not actually supposed to be for adults, but I figure they remind me of pens also, because they are also, you know, the length and shape of a pen. They don't have like a clicky or a flicker or a pen tip, but they're also reversible too. So I feel like they kind of work perfect for the use. So I bought these. They're actually from like the baby section at Walmart.com. So so these are chewy tubes. So they're hollow, and I don't know why they're hollow. Maybe to make it easier to chew, because they are very soft and easy to chew. I like the colors. I like the textures. They're nice and soft. They're not too big. They're not too hard. They're perfectly soft and perfectly textured and perfect size for my itty bitty tiny little mouth. Because I know on video I look like I have a giant mouth because I never shut up. But in all actuality, I am 4'10". So I am itty bitty witty itty bitty whittle. So let's put it this way. water bottle compared to my tiny itty bitty little doll hands. They all tiny. I tiny. But anyway, so I really like them, and I feel like to keep me from chewing on my pens, which I do have a serious problem with, and I do tend to chew on my cheeks and the inside of my mouth if I don't have something to chew on. And it's an ongoing problem that I've been doing literally my whole life. So, and I figure, something that's pen kind of shaped will help take away that issue, and just kind of, while I'm writing or typing or reading or whatever, whenever I'm just busy, I can just pop what feels like a rubber pen in my mouth and just go about my day and just chew on that. And then, just deal. So this is the one I've been testing on, because if you know me, you know that I wear my clothes by color, because I'm OCD. So I wear my whites, I wear my grays, I wear my blacks, and then I go into pink, and then red, and then purple, and then blue, and then yellow, and green, and brown. So, yeah. So this is the next color closest to what I'm wearing, because they don't have a gray, white, or black one. Oops, I dropped it. I dropped it! Anyway, so, there's the big end with the big dots, and some of them have different textures too. You'll have to look around and see what textures you think you might like. And there's not just these two. You can buy fidget pen toppers. You can buy fidget jewelry. I mean, chew pen toppers, chew jewelry. There's an endless amount of things that are made specifically for the need to chew when you have ADHD and chewing problems from that. Or if you have any other issues that cause the need for fidget toys and chewing. But anyway, so there's on these ones, there's the big dots, and then there's the little dots, and I guess it depends on what feels better for you on that particular moment. Whatever strikes your fancy, however your mouth is feeling at that time. But I loves them, and they're pretty, and they work really good. They make my mouth feel happy. That sounded really wrong. Jackie and Lindsay, get your minds out of the gutter, because I know you're thinking what I'm thinking. Know it. I know it. I know you, Lindsay. And I'm beginning to know you, Jackie. You think like I do. You do. You guys think like I do. Your minds, they'd be dirty. They'd be really, really dirty. But anyway, like I mind. You guys can have dirty minds all you want. It's entertaining to me. Yeah. I have a dirty mind too. So, yeah. But anyway, other than my older fidget toys that I am still trying to show you guys, and slime, that's pretty much all I got for today. There will be more stuff coming sometime this month. A lot of stuff. I did already get the original package that I bought from Mrs. Bench, but and I peeked, but I noticed there were some things in there that there were some things not in there that I wanted added. So instead of just doing the whole unboxing for you guys, I decided to wait until the stuff I wanted in there that wasn't in there to come, because I bought it. So I'm waiting on 2 more packages for that. And because I had so much money to spend, I was like, it wouldn't hurt to just, buy the Christmas fidgets early, so I already have them, so I don't have to be like last minute, oh my God, I don't know if I have money for these fidgets, or oh my God, the hell? Oh, it's a flat. Okay. Yeah. And then, oh my God, I forgot what I was saying. When you never shut up, that happens a lot. Yeah. I get brain farts all the time. But anyway, yeah, I wanted to avoid, not having the Christmas fidgets show up on time, or, not being able to have them show up at all. Yeah, that's where I was going with that. Show up on time or not at all. Not be able to afford them, or them just not show up quick enough for me to do the video for you. So I bought them early. And I didn't realize it until afterwards. I didn't notice it until today. And it's okay, because like I said, I give my doubles to Avea. I feel stupid. I accidentally bought 2 of everything. Not of all the stuff that wasn't in the boxes that I already bought, the box I already bought, but I accidentally bought 2 Christmas mystery packs, 2 Christmas mochi packs, and 2 advent calendars. But again, it's okay. And it's a really good thing it came from that huge ass check, because if it hadn't, it wouldn't have been okay. but and it would have been my fault. But anyway, it's okay, because 1, I had all that money, and 2, yeah, all the doubles will go to Avea anyway. So, it's just helping me with Christmas. It's helping me give her present. Make her present bigger. So, anyway, yeah, so there's a lot of other fidgets coming, and like I said, there's fidgets coming, more fidgets coming from Walmart. There's more fidgets coming from Amazon. More fidgets coming from Mrs. Bench's shop, fidgettoysplus.com. And yes, I am sponsored by her. So, I will link in the comments, like I have been in all of my videos lately, if you haven't noticed, the link to her shop, and 20 I think it's 10% off discount coupon. I don't remember. I'll have to look, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I think it's a 10% off discount coupon on your whole purchase. So, if you want fidget toys, she's probably the best person to go to for fidget toys anyway. Because not only does she have good selection, but she also handpicks everything she puts in that box, and she gives like freebies, and she puts a lot of thought and love and care into those boxes, and you get stickers. And like, I've been watching her boxing videos. She really goes all out. She's not like some factory just going, okay, let's just shove all this shit in there and not care You know, like, no, she really cares about her customers. She puts a lot of attention into those boxes. So everything that you buy from her, know that if you got something that isn't a color you like or isn't like a style you like, she was thinking of you. She didn't know that you may or may not have liked it, and she was thinking maybe you would. But I haven't had that problem because I just got my first package yesterday. Was it yesterday? No, no, it wasn't yesterday. I think it was Saturday. I got my first package from her Saturday on my birthday, which was the 5th. November 5th is my birthday. Anyway, yes, I am a Scorpio. No, Scorpios are not assholes. We are actually very creative and passionate, and because we're so passionate, people assume that we are assholes because we love people with every fiber of our being, and we're the same way with animals. So, when you hurt the things and the people that we love, it creates a rage in us. And when you mess with us in particular, we let it go and we let it go and we let it go and let it go and let it go. And then after a while, we just can't let it go anymore and we freaking explode. And then all of a sudden they're like, oh my God, Scorpios are so mean. No, we were nice until you pushed us over a cliff with your bullshit. You pushed us too far and then we snapped. And that happens with everybody. Nobody can be pushed too far and not snap. It's just how it is. Life is just like that. But anyway, so Scorpios are not mean. We're not. We're just very, very passionate, and we love with everything in us, and we love fiercely, and we're very creative, and we have great imaginations. We're awesome. But anyway, yeah, I know a lot of people that are awesome. Yeah, like Lindsay and Sam. They're awesome. Mrs. Bench is awesome. And Jackie from Nerdy Crafter, she's awesome. And all my kitties are awesome. And I know that I am like flicking this chew toy, just flicking it. Just see, it is a fidget because it wiggles. That's kind of fun and entertaining. Anyway, yeah. So, now I want to play with my unicorn. I'm going to play with my unicorn. You guys haven't seen my unicorn yet because I haven't done a video for it yet. This is my unicorn. She's cute. Look at those eyes. She's got pretty eyes. And then you can pull on her hair. And you can squish her, squish her, squish, 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 squish. And pull on her hair. But anyway, yeah. I know, I am a dork. But aren't we all in our own ways, if you think about it? All of us with ADHD, we're all kind of dorks a little bit in our own ways. And there's nothing wrong with it because it makes the world fun. If we were meant to be all the same, the world would be so boring. Yeah, we need difference in people. We need weirdness and uniqueness and strangeness and playful fun and nerdy dorkiness and all the stuff. We need all the things. We need them. Because the world needs to be different for it to not be boring. But anyway, I am saying that a lot today. I am sorry. I apologize. I think I'm going to let you guys go. And I am sorry I did not get very many, like, kitty photo bombs in my video today. I usually get a ton of them, and they are ignoring me today. There's a reason they're ignoring me. They're upset, and I can't blame them. I'm upset too. When you lose 3 kitties in a week, it's upsetting. You know, we're not dealing well, but we're doing the best we can. But I hope I faked happy well enough to convince you guys that I'm actually happy. or at least to make the video entertaining. But at the very least to make it entertaining. So I can't stop playing with this. It's so fun. I need 2 of them. The purple one. Do 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 do. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you for watching, and like, share, and subscribe, and please don't think I'm psycho. Please come back and watch more videos with me, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And I am going to start doing this little thing where I start calling you guys my furries. Or no, not my furries, because that's weird. My fuzzies. That's what it was, my fuzzies. I'm going to start calling you guys my fuzzies, and you're going to be like my little fuzzy family. And yes, I am stealing that from Nerdy Crafter, but hers are this little grains of salt in her salt shaker family. But, I mean, y'all know I'm obsessed with cats. I've got a freaking ton of cats. And I love every single one of them so very much. They're my sweet little babies. So, I'm going to start doing that. And I am going to start doing a little thing where I try to fit in my my Bitmoji and with little cat ears on her head, and call her Crazy Cat Lady. So I'm going to put Crazy Cat Lady at the end of this video, and she's going to call me out on my nerdiness. You know, so look forward to that. I don't, like I said, I don't know how to fit her in between in the segments of the video. I don't know how to cut it and splice it and put her in there. I know Sam knows how to do it, but he don't live with me, so yeah. He would help me if he could, but how can he help me if he's not here? I mean, we have thought about, like, sending him my videos, but you can't send videos this long in Messenger because it doesn't work. And yeah, he can't edit it for me if we can't send it through Messenger. So I've got to figure out how to do it myself. I don't know, but I am going to put her at the end of every video from now on. Every Fidget video. So she's going to call me out on my nerdiness in this video, and who knows what she's going to say in the next videos. Who knows? But watch out for Nerdy Crafter. For Crazy Cat Lady calling me out. And Please check out Nerdy Crafters videos, and please check out Mrs. Bench's videos, and please check out her shop, which, like I said, I will put down in the description with that coupon code. And if you buy from my coupon code, I get commission, which I haven't gotten yet, so I know nobody's bought yet. But I mean, I'm not like saying that I'm gonna get mad if you don't. I mean, if you don't have the money to buy fidgets, you don't have the money. Believe me, I of all people understand that. I live off of $600 a month, and my rent is a little bit over $500 after utilities. So, yeah, I understand. But anyway, and you never know. There might be things that you want that she doesn't have. You know, maybe you looked at it and was like, "Well, I don't have the money," or maybe you looked at it and was like, "Oh, well, what I want isn't on there." I don't know. I don't know. Or maybe you went on there and then forgot to use my coupon code, because I could see how that could happen, because my mind is just like, what was I doing? I don't know. I don't remember what I was doing. And then I remember like several hours later when it's too late to remember. Yeah. But anyway, so yeah. So you definitely want to check out her shop, and cuz you might find things you want, and you might find things you like. And if you do, don't forget to put the coupon code in, cuz then you'll save 10% and I'll make commission. And um every time I get stuff from her, I will put new coupon codes down in the description also, along with that 10% off as well, because there are certain items that I can get like promo codes for you guys to get coupons for. So there's that. I don't know how it works, but there's that. But anyway, so do me a favor and check her out. Even if you don't buy anything, at least look at it. Please, for me, because you love me. Please. But, yeah. I should let you guys go, because now this is like a 43-minute freaking video, because I can't shut up. But anyway, please like, share, and subscribe, and check out Nerdy Crafter and Mrs. Bench, and check out Fidget Toys Plus, Mrs. Bench's shop, and see if you can find things that maybe you might like. And if you do, don't forget to use the coupon code, because it'll save you money and it'll give me money so I can pay my bills. I likes my bills. Okay, I don't likes my bills, but I likes to keep my bills on. Yep. So have a beautiful day and a blessed day, and I love you guys, my fuzzies, my fuzzy family, and Crazy Cat Lady loves you guys too, and my kitties do, and yeah. Have a good day. Bye bye.